I think all it needs is a little cleaning.
Don't move, buddy.
What's wrong? What's up?
You got a bug up your ass.
No, I don't. Yes, I do.
Don't move. This may hurt a little. Did I get him?
I think you just made him mad. I think he's about ready to tear me a new butthole.
What's he doing now?
He's moving to the front. I think you got him that time. That must be a stink bug. Hey, buddy, you practically saved my life. How much do I owe you?
Oh, you don't owe me anything.
Hey, man, do you have a fridge where you live?
I sure do.
If you ever have any trouble with it, you just let me know and I'll come running.
I sure will, buddy.